Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to the 7th instalment of my Christmas series. I just want to take a moment to apologise for sounding so awful. I sound awful because I feel awful. I've caught some winter bug that has made my voice go terrible. So yeah, apologies for that. Getting back to it, I just wanted to let you know that I have a new episode every day up until Christmas Eve. So if you haven't seen my previous ones, I would suggest that you go back and watch them first and then come back to this one, because obviously I don't want you to miss this one either. And then also don't forget to subscribe, because you know, I like a subscriber. That, and I don't want you to miss any of my future tales, so hit the subscribe button and then you'll be notified about all of my future stories. With that being said, let's get into today's tale, and I'm telling the tale of the Christmas spider. The legend of the Christmas spider is supposed to be the reason why we all put tinsel on our Christmas trees in modern day. I couldn't find anything concrete to suggest that this is definitely the case. However, I kind of like the sentiment of that is why we do it. Because why do we put tinsel on our Christmas tree? If not for this folklore legend, then if somebody else has got a reason, then please do leave it down in the comments, because so far this has to be my favourite reason as to why we put tinsel on the tree. But it's a Eastern European folklore that's most prevalent in like the Ukraine, where small ornaments in the shape of a spider and a web are traditionally placed on the Christmas tree. The ones that they tend to put up are like these beautiful glass beaded spiders. At some point I might have a little look into this craft, because they look magical. I absolutely love them, so I might have to give that a go at some point. My craftiness really wants to try that. But yeah, unfortunately I can't do that, so you're stuck with this version instead. In the most popular version of the story, a widowed woman and her children find a tree growing through the floor of their home. The widow and her children spend the entire year nurturing the tree, helping it to grow so that they can have a beautiful Christmas tree when December came around. The tree grew beautifully throughout the year, so much so that a spider took up residence and made it his home. On the night of Christmas Eve, the widow and her children looked at the tree with great sadness in their hearts. They had no money, and they were too poor to decorate the tree for Christmas. The widow sent her crying children to bed and then fell asleep herself. The spider, who had watched the widow and her family nurture the tree all year round, took pity on her family, and so he spun beautiful and elaborate webs all over the evergreen. When the mother and her children woke on Christmas morning and opened the curtains, the morning sun hit the cobwebs, turning them into gold and silver threads. The widow and her children had good fortune from then on. Other renditions of this story say that Santa turned them into gold and silver threads, and others say that Jesus did it, just so that the cobwebs wouldn't upset the mother. As a woman that's really quite frightened of spiders, I would appreciate if somebody turned a cobweb into gold and silver threads for me. But at the same time, I kind of like the fact that this spider did the good thing and made their family happy. So I'm going to leave it as the spider. Santa didn't do it, and neither did Jesus. It's likely linked to the idea that spiders are supposed to be lucky. I can't say that I have ever felt lucky in the presence of one. With the last little bits of glitter, that's pretty much my Christmas spider complete. If you did enjoy this video, then please do take a moment to like, because it really does help my videos get out there. So like, subscribe, share, all that wonderful stuff. Please do join me again tomorrow. We're heading over towards Finland, Denmark, Norway kind of way for the next tale. So it should be interesting. Please do come back tomorrow, and I guess I will see you then, guys. See you later. Bye.